welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica and this is my art studio. So in today's video I'm actually going to do a behind the scenes of making this room into an art studio for me, which took quite a bit of time. I actually did this during the summer. It was probably around June, July-ish. It took a lot of work to transform this room and make it over. It started with the wallpaper. So we had to take the wallpaper down, which we thought was going to be a bit of a pain to start, but we also didn't realize there had to be 7 layers of wallpaper layered on top of each other, which made it even more worse. It spent a lot of time trying to peel it off. Don't work. 10 out of 10, don't recommend. Once we got the wallpaper off, which took a while in itself, we then sanded down the wall to get it nice and smooth because we were going to paint over it. We bought some paint and we did a couple layers of paint. I painted the whole room, all 4 walls. Once the paint was totally dry, we actually ripped off the carpet and laid down the snap-in flooring. Once that was complete, I started to move in furniture. So I had purchased this desk and this bookshelf off of Amazon. And so when I set that up, I specifically wanted a white desk to shoot videos on and do artwork on and just hope it doesn't get dirty. But once I set up all the furniture, I started to slowly move stuff in. I found this beautiful watercolor rug from Wayfair and I just had to have it because it matched my room so perfectly. Then I started to move in my art book collection onto my bookshelf. Along with my printer, scanner, and my sketchbooks and watercolor paper. I brought in my computer setup that I had at the time, but that's actually going to change. You'll see here in a minute. And then I organized my little art cart as well. And then here is a little overview of the room with my stuff moved in. Okay, curtains. Curtains came in, so they come up.
I'm ready to match your rug.
They look good. I did get them off.
Yeah, they'll have to install them.
Or maybe I'll like the way they look on the floor.
Or maybe that.
It's like perfect.
Yeah, so
Oh my god. That is like perfect. It's so heavy.
it's like a beat.
So, just got this iMac the other day. We went to an estate sale. It was mostly
Real old people stuff.
old people looking for antiques, so this was not really touched. And it's a little older. What did you say?
2013, I think.
2013.
So it's 6 years old, but still works and a little bit of upgrades.
Wireless keyboard. I don't know. This looked like an older person's house, so it was weird that they would have an iMac in there. the studio is actually complete now, and I will be posting a studio tour, I think near the end of the month. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the behind the scenes of doing it. Make sure you hit subscribe if you want to see that studio tour, and go follow me on Instagram if you're not already, because I do a lot of behind the scenes stuff on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!